The XDC Pay wallet is a digital wallet designed to hold and manage XDC tokens, which are used on the ZenFan blockchain network. The wallet allows users to send and receive XDC tokens, as well as view their transaction history and balance. The XDC Pay wallet is a browser extension that can be added to the Chrome browser. So if you're on a Mac or Linux or Windows computer, you can follow along by downloading the Chrome browser and adding the XDC Pay wallet to your browser extension. Let's click Add to Chrome and click Add Extension. It only takes a few seconds for the XDC Pay wallet to download, and once it's done downloading, you can click to add it to your browser. And then there's the puzzle piece icon up here at the top right. I'm going to click that so I can add the pin button to pin the XDC Pay wallet to my browser. So now I don't have to look for it. So let's go ahead and get started by opening up our XDC Pay wallet. Here are the terms of use. Dear XDC Pay users, XDC Pay is a beta software. When you log into XDC Pay, your current account address is visible to every new site you visit. This can be used to look up your account balances on XDC and other tokens. For your privacy, for now, please sign out of XDC Pay when you're done using a site. Let's click Accept. And now we need to create a new password. Once you're finished, click Create. And now you're presented with your 12-word seed recovery phrase. There's an option here to save this as a CSV file, but I do not recommend that you do that. I recommend that you write down your secret recovery phrase. I store my private keys and my secret recovery phrase on this little flash drive here. It is a 32 gigabyte flash drive. You can use an 8 gigabyte flash drive to store text documents on, and create a text document and save your seed recovery phrase on a flash drive like this so that you can keep your private keys and your recovery phrase offline. So the next thing I'm going to do is write down these 12 seed words so that I can finish the wallet setup. Once you finish writing down your words, click I have copied it somewhere. And now you have to confirm that you have saved your words. So now it's asking me for word number 3, which was special. And the next word is word number 9, which was need. And word number 12 was fantasy. Now, I'm sharing this with you in this video, but it's very important that you never share your seed recovery phrase with anyone, because anyone who has your seed recovery phrase is able to send and receive data in and out of your wallet. So whoever has your seed recovery phrase or your private keys has access to your funds. So make sure you never share this with anyone. Now we're going to talk about a few buttons here in the XDC Pay wallet. So I expanded the view of the XDC Pay wallet. Up here at the top right, there's 3 dashes, which represent your wallet options. Here you can access your settings, info, help, and you can log out of your wallet. This is the warning that the XDC Pay wallet gave you in the beginning when they told you that you need to log out of your wallet every time you're finished using it, because every site you visit can access your public account address. You want to switch from this testnet to the mainnet. Unless you're using testnet to test out for development or whenever you're using that for, you want to be on mainnet so that when you send your real XDC tokens to this wallet, your balance will reflect in your wallet. Right here in the middle, you can see your public account address. This is where you will send and receive tokens to. This is an address that is safe for you to share with any and everyone because people can send you tokens using this address. Right here, there's a button represented by 3 dots. These are your account options. This is where you can expand the view. This is where you can view your wallet on Observer, which is the block explorer. And this is where you can see every transaction that you've made in your wallet in history. Here you can show your QR code for fast transactions, and you can copy your address to the clipboard, and you can export your private key. Here's another thing that you really need to do right now before you move forward is export your private key. If we click this button, it'll ask us to confirm the password, and then it'll share a private key with us. The private key is going to be an alphanumeric string of numbers and letters. and you should copy and paste in your same place that you saved your C recovery phrase on your flash drive, off the internet, off your computer. So that way, if you ever experience a hack or some type of wide data breach, then your private keys will not be in that information. They will be offline on a hard drive. And that's what you need. The next thing we can see is the XDC token balance. In a minute, I'm going to show you how to transfer tokens to your XDC Pay wallet, and we'll change this balance from 0 to a few thousand. Right here, there's a buy button where you can buy XDC in your wallet using your credit or debit card. And here's the button for sending XDC or any XDC token or any NFT that's on the XDC network out of your wallet. And if you wanted to receive assets, then you would use your public address. Right here, we can see the transactions. There are no transactions in my history yet. And over here, we can see the tokens that are in my wallet. Now, there are many tokens that run on the XDC blockchain, such as Groot and GBEX. And so today I'm going to show you how to add the token contract address for GBEX in your XDC Pay wallet. I want to give you a tip. Anytime you're about to import a token contract address into your wallet, any wallet that you're using, make sure you are using a reliable resource like CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko. The reason for this is because there are bad actors in the crypto space, such as scammers, and these scammers will create fake tokens. Say, for example, a scammer created a token that was a fake XDC token, and it looked just like XDC because it has the logo on the website, but it has a different contract address, and you're unaware that this is not the real XDC token, and you go to import that token contract address in your wallet, and you go to the swap where they're selling it, and you buy that token. And now you have a token that is not really XDC, and the liquidity will be pulled from that token immediately. So what you want to do is use a reliable resource for importing token contract addresses, because the companies behind these blockchains work directly with companies like CoinMarketCap to ensure that there's a place where you can get reliable information. So over here in the top right, I'm going to type in GBEX so I can pull up the Globiance Exchange token that is currently living on the XDC blockchain network. So right here, we can see that there's the contract address for the GBEX token right here. And I'm going to copy this contract address. And then I'm going to go back to my XDC Pay wallet. And right here in the wallet, there's a button that says add token. So I'm going to add this token by clicking add token. And there's a space here for entering a contract address. So this is where we're going to paste the GBEX token contract address. And as you can see, the other information as far as the token symbol and the decimals of precision automatically update themselves in the wallet. So now we're going to click add. And now I have the GBEX token contract address reflecting in my XDC Pay wallet. In order to fund your XDC Pay wallet, you can purchase XDC tokens on a centralized exchange such as BitTrue. Right now here on BitTrue, I'm on the trading section. Down there in the middle, you can see the button that says trading. I already have some USDT in my wallet. So once I have USDT in my wallet, I can go ahead and choose up here at the top left to trade for XDC. So type in XDC and we can see the pair pops up here at the top, XDC USDT. I'm going to click that. And now we can see that the most recent sell order that is open right now for XDC is 0.03 cents, 37. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and buy 1,000 XDC for $35.37. Click buy XDC. And you can see the 999 XDC has been reflected in my wallet. So now I can go over to my assets and click withdraw. And up here, I'm going to type in XDC because I want to withdraw XDC token. And now I'm going to select the network, which is obviously ZenFin XDC network. And here we are. Now we're on the screen where we're going to withdraw the 999 XDC tokens that I just purchased. So if we scroll up a little bit, we can see right here that This is the area where you want to paste your address for sending the XDC out. And since I'm sending XDC to my own XDC Pay wallet, I'm going to paste my wallet address right here. Right here is the quantity of XDC that I want to send out. So if I only wanted to send 300 XDC, then I could do that by entering 300 here. But I want to send all of it. So I'm going to click the button all right there. And then we'll see the network fee of BitTrue. They're charging 2 XDC to use this network. And that is a very low amount, even though you can get 5,000 transactions per XDC on the XDC network in your XDC Pay wallet. And now my XDC tokens have arrived in my wallet. And you can see my account balance of GBEX has changed. And that's because I made a swap earlier before I started recording. So I'm going to show you how to swap for GBEX so that you can understand how to make swaps on the XDC network. So I'm on a website called dex.globiance.com, and I'm going to click Connect Wallet up here at the top right. And you can see one of the options is XDC Pay. And now my wallet is connected to the Globiance decentralized exchange. And you can see my XDC balance up here at the top right. So to make a swap here, we're going to click on the swap button. And at the top is the asset that I want to swap from. I could switch this to another asset if I wanted to, but right now I'm going to keep it at XDC. At the bottom here, there's a token list for choosing which token I want to swap to. So I'm going to choose GBEX, and then I'm going to click Don't Show Again and adjust and click Save. And right here is where you're going to put in the amount that you want to switch from to GBEX. I'll swap 100 XDC for over 24 million GBEX. So click swap, and then it's processing the transaction. I'm going to click submit. The window pops up that says success hash. Now let's check my balance. And now I have 100 less XDC, and I have more GBEX in my account because I just swapped for more GBEX. So that's how you make a swap on XDC Pay blockchain network using the XDC Pay wallet. If you like this content, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to this channel. Share this guide with someone that you know and let them know about the blockchain that is going to change the world, the XDC network.